The Alpina C2 2.7 is a pretty rare car. This man knows all about the one that's behind me because he's the part owner with his dad. It's Jay Singh. It's great to have you along. What a fantastic, fantastic example. Tell me about it.
So this is our C2 2.7 convertible. It's one of 5 produced with a sport switchable automatic gearbox. As far as we know, there's only around 12 or 13 convertibles produced for the UK market total. It's a 1989, finished in the desirable Diamond Schwartz black. It's got black Napa leather, full-blown conversion, engine, exhaust, ECU, camshaft, suspension, body kit styling, so you've got the front bumper, rear spoiler, and obviously the Alpina deco kit.
But more than just that, Jay, this has been to Germany a number of times as well and been looked over by Alpina.
Yeah, so the first time we were invited as part of the BMW Car Club to visit and do a factory tour. That was awesome. I mean, the CEO got to look at the car, he had photos with it, and get behind the scenes of how this car and the engine was probably assembled back in 1989. It was almost stepping back in time. The second trip, we were fortunate for the 60th celebration of Alpina to go back. We believe there's over 700 cars there at a private airfield in Penzing, Germany. Again, where we celebrated the car with many other, proud owners.
Now, the car itself, I mean, you've given us an overview of the car. Under the bonnet?
Under the bonnet, so it's the 2.7 engine that Alpina have created, stemming from the original M20 B25, so you've now got a different cylinder head, exhaust manifold, pistons, crankshaft, camshaft. It's a completely revised engine with more power and more torque.
We'll come to figures in a little bit, no doubt, but the car itself means more than just the metal that it is, because something tells me, and I know this story goes back a fair bit, and you had this car in your family and then didn't, and now do again.
Yeah, so I was born in 2006, so a bit before my time in the 90s when it was a few years old. My dad actually owned it. My brother was born in 99 and he actually was born obviously in the hospital. He came back in the back seat of this car as a kid. So growing up then, a few years later, my dad got rid of it at the time for the new E36 M3 because it was around that sort of era. So I've sort of grown up with this photo on the wall of this car, sort of looking at it, and then I've grown up, Dad, what is it? Where is it? Is it still going? Whether it be, and I've grown up now, I'm into my cars. I've done a simple red check and it's showing as no MOT, but it's still alive, sawn. So I was intrigued to find it, learned more about the C2 cars itself, figured out how rare it was, and I knew just one day I've got to get it back. So after years of trying, asking people, finding its whereabouts, really trying to hunt it down, we managed to buy it back just in time for my father's 50th birthday.
That is absolutely. What was his reaction when he saw it? Did he know it was his?
Yeah, he knew straight away it was his because there's not many about. And we're quite fortunate it still remained on the original number plate that he had it on. Otherwise, I probably would have never been able to find it. But I don't think any of our family thought in a million years we'd get it back. So.
Do you mind me asking, what did you pay for it when you got it back?
I won't say the exact sum, but I think we worked out it was more than 8 times what he sold it for in the late 90s.
You can hear the sound of people tapping away on their calculators trying to work it out. What's it like to drive? What's it like to be behind the wheel of this?
It's awesome. It's effortlessly smooth. It's got torque. Sounds awesome thanks to the manifold, the exhaust system. It's just an awesome cruiser. I mean, the gearbox, you can have it in comfort, economy mode, just go about your daily duties. And then you can put it in sports or in the manual side of it, 1, 2 and 3, and it really picks up.
Now, you say you co-own this with your dad, so that means that one day it's going to be yours and yours alone.
Yep, along with my brother as well. So, as we said, we'll always remember it as Dad's car, so that's why we've got it back.
How would you sum this car up then? What would the words be if you could just use, 3 or 4 words to describe it for us?
To describe the car, I would say rare, iconic, irreplaceable and sentimental.
It's a lot of things, isn't it? It's got to live up to a lot, but it looks like it's doing a good job. It's stunning.
Thank you very much.